In addition to indexing, slicing is also supported. While indexing is used to obtain individual characters, slicing allows you to obtain substring. We have two examples here. The first example is to get the first two characters from the Python string, but you will notice that the character that has index 2 is not included here. The last index number is always not included. The two characters here are the first with index 0, which is P, and the second character with index 1, which is Y. The example here is to get the characters from index 2 to index 5. Also, by applying the rule, the character with index 5 is not included. Therefore, the result is the characters THO. And also note that the starting point is always included and the end always excluded. Here we have two examples. The characters before index 2 and after index 2 for Python string is equal to the full Python string. So for the next example, for number 4, it is the same idea.